So the door of this cabinet is tilting on one side, and when I opened, I found that this hinge has come off, and the place where the screw for this hinge goes in, it has gotten damaged. As you can see, wood has come off. So what I can do is I'll put some wood filler on it so that it is totally flush. Once I have put the wood filler, I'll let it dry and cure, and then I'll put the screw and this hinge back. Hopefully it is going to work. So let's see how all of this process goes. So the wood filler that I have taken is by Wax. It's a good brand, and they have the instructions on the back. So the instructions are saying to apply the wood filler with a putty and push it in all the holes in places. And once it is done properly, leave it for 2 to 4 hours. Then it will be cured, and then you can sand it, or you can put any screws in it or do whatever. So I'll do that now. And then put it here. Try to push it in as much as possible, and then do this a couple of times. Yeah, so it seems like it is done. This is how it looks. Seems like it is flush with this finish. So now I'm going to let it dry for 2 to 4 hours, and then put the bracket in with a screw. So it has been a couple of hours, and this seems properly dry. So all I need now to do is install it with a screw. So let's see if this repair has worked. Yes, as you can see, it is holding on well, and closing also fine. So the job has been done. Again, to show you, this is the wood filler which I used, and it has worked very nicely. Thanks for watching.